Hey guys, Steven here. Today I'm actually going to go over with you on how you can make any Android device faster. So with that being said, the factory sets it to where your device could actually be faster than what it really is. So I'm going to show you how to go ahead and make that quicker. So first things first, if you like the video, I'd always appreciate the thumbs up. And then from there, of course, leave me a comment below and let me know how I do. And I would always appreciate if you subscribe. So, from there, let's begin. First things first, you're going to go to your settings. Scroll on down to the bottom there. You're going to see About Phone. Then once you get from here, Software Information. And then right there in the middle, or maybe even a little bit down, just depending on what device you have, you're going to see Build Number. Now, as you can see, I already have developer mode turned on, but what you're going to do is you're actually going to tap build number 5 times. So once you get that, you may have to enter your passcode. Go ahead and do it. You're going to love this, by the way. So once you do that, go ahead and hit the back button. Back again. Now, scroll back down. As you can see, developer mode or developer options is turned on. Go ahead and click on that. Now, you're going to scroll on down until you see window animation. So you got the window animation scale, you got the transition animation scale, and then you got the animator duration scale. So now, as you can see, if you click on that, your device will be set to animation scale times 1. You want to put it to 0.5. Okay? And then you're going to go back, you're going to go to transition, hit 0.5, and then animator 0.5. And then from there, guys, go ahead and hit the home button and watch how fast your device seems. You're going to love it. It's going to be real snappy. It's going to be quicker. It's just going to be a really fun little thing for you to do. Now, developer options is something I am going to go through in quite a different, mini videos, so bear with me, guys. But that is just one thing you can do with Android devices in the developer options. So thank you very much for watching, and again, if you liked the video, I appreciate the thumbs up, and go ahead and subscribe if you love the content. Thank you, and thanks for watching.